In this video, I'll show you how to make an Epic Games account step by step so you can get signed up quickly and start using Epic Games for Fortnite, the Epic Games Store, and other services. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through every part so you can follow along easily, even if you've never done it before. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the website loads, look to the top right corner and click the user icon or the sign-in button. This is where Epic Games lets you log into an existing account or create a new one. When the login window appears, look for the Sign Up option at the bottom and click it. That will take you to the account creation page. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to sign up. You can use your email address, or you can pick a connected account like Google or Xbox if that's easier for you. If you want the most direct method, choose Sign Up with Email. After that, Epic Games will ask for your date of birth. Enter your birth date carefully, because this determines whether you can create the account and may affect what content you can access. Once you've entered your birth date, click Continue. Now you'll be taken to the main registration form. Here, fill in your country, first name, last name, display name, email address, and password. Make sure your display name is something you'll be happy using on Epic Games, because this is the name other players may see. Also, use a strong password that you haven't used on other sites, so your account stays secure. Take your time and double-check your email address, because Epic Games will use that email for verification and account recovery. After all the details are filled in, scroll down and check the box to agree to the terms of service. This step is required before you can finish creating the account. Once everything looks correct, complete the sign-up process and follow any on-screen verification steps Epic Games gives you. If you're prompted to confirm your email, open your inbox and click the verification link so your account becomes fully active. After that, your Epic Games account will be ready to use. You can now sign in anytime, download games, access the store, and connect with other Epic Games features. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe because it really helps the channel and lets me know to make more tutorials like this. And that's it. Now you know how to make an Epic Games account quickly and correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.